All right, Matt, tell us about the C63.
All right, so this is my 2012 C63 AMG Black Series. It is a 6.2 liter V8, 510 horsepower, naturally aspirated. It has coilover suspension from the factory. It also has a lightweight crank, forged pistons and forged connecting rods. The ECU from the factory is also pretty much wide open. There's no electronic speed limiter and there's no soft rev limiter on this car. Only 77 of these cars were imported to the United States. This one has not only the aero package with the carbon fiber on the front, the side skirts, and the big wing on the back, but also has the track package, which is more exclusive. So there's probably around 25 or so of these in black with this package. So it's a very rare car. I actually purchased it through Auto Trader. So you can thank Auto Trader for brokering this deal. I've had it 2 years and I actually bought it sight unseen. I was talking with the owner. We were going over videos and photos and we agreed on a price, and I had it shipped up here to my home. All of the maintenance, I want to give a plug to 603 MTech Auto Works in Hooksett, New Hampshire. They're the ones that exclusively work on this car and my other AMGs. So let's take a look at the interior and we'll go over that.
Sounds good.
So we'll come inside here. So carbon fiber throughout the car, red stitching on the door and the seats, Alcantara in the seats and the steering wheel. Of course, over there it has the little Black Series badge above the glove box. Standard kind of gauge system, the M156 engine. This Black Series does have rear seats. So some of them did not come, they came with a rear seat delete, but this one does have the rear seats.
Wow.
And all of them in North America came with a sunroof. And the reason for that is they would have had to re-crash test them to certify a hardtop. So they just said, oh, we'll just give them all sunroofs.
Sure.
So all of them in the US have sunroofs. The ones in Europe do have a hardtop.
Wow. The wheels are something else. And you said, how wide are these tires?
These tires are 295 in the rear. So very wide tires. Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires.
And just carbon fiber. We're talking like
yeah,
everything.
Carbon fiber on the diffuser. That carbon fiber is winged. This is all from the factory. So that's not a Pep Boys special. That is real, carbon fiber from AMG.
And it's looking great too.
And it has additional cooling in the transmission and additional cooling in the rear diff. Yeah, right there, man. That's what says it all. The exclusivity. Just, yeah, very rare car, and you'll see why when you get to go for a ride and drive it.
Absolutely.
Obviously, only drive this car in Sport Plus.
You have to.
Also on the dash, we got, this is really cool. This is very rare in cars, is the data. So we got
oil
engine temp, oil temp, coolant temp. And then we come over to power, which we'll get horsepower, torque, and throttle.
Okay.
And then we also get the tire pressure as well.
Oh, that's so cool. Yeah. It is so cool.
Seats
and a nice sunroof too. I mean, it goes all the way down to the back as well.
Full sunroof.
So transmission wise, it's a 7-speed?
Yeah,
dual clutch?
7-speed. I don't think it's a dual clutch, but it's way better than the original torque converter. It's an MCT, I think.
Okay.
Transmission, but it shifts very, very well.
Sure.
And quick.
Kind of violent.
It can be, yes. Yep. And what's amazing is at full throttle, do you know how the car can, on a downshift, can blip? And
yes.
Go pop, pop?
Yep.
It does that on the upshift.
No kidding.
At full throttle, yeah.
Oh, wow.
So it's incredible.
So it makes a little pop sound?
Yep.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, let's go.
Oh, man. I love that. That upshift sound is something else.
Revs, red line's at 7,200
wow, okay.
RPM.
Those downshifts too.
And and it's not too much.
No,
it's just enough
no, my
where
gosh.
It's like, ooh.
And it's still a refined car, so it's probably extremely loud on the outside.
Yeah.
You know, in the inside, it's kind of nice. It's very, you know, it's a comfortable feel. Exactly. Yep. What year is this one again?
2012.
So 2012.
14 years old.
14 years old, and the interior, and how many miles?
44,000.
44,000 miles. There's no annoying creaks, none of that. Again, on all my modern day Volkswagen Auto Group products, my Audis, my Volkswagens, they rattle, and they find like little nooks and crannies where they rattle. This is a very quiet place to be. You could go for a long distance drive in this for sure.
Yeah, absolutely.
Wow. Imagine seeing this just coming up on you.
It's like,
just
get out of the way.
Exactly, a blacked out Benz with all this aero. Like, this looks genuinely like a race car.
It is. I mean, it came out of the factory as a race car.
Yep.
Yeah.
This thing is so planted. There's no drama in the rear. Again, rear wheel drive, and it's planted. And we're maintaining a really solid 40 miles per hour around that type of corner. Oh man. Unbelievable. Again, I'm just so used to kind of the front wheel drive bias vehicles. You know, the RS3, even that car being the Haldex, it's, you know, it does feel like the steering is, or the front wheels do everything. Obviously, the turning, the driving, the braking.
Yeah, go for it.
All right. It was not even full throttle.
Oh,
I'm
no.
playing nice. I gotta be good. It's not my car. You know what? So it's D2. It still will shift for me. It looks like it will shift.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, so take this on ramp here. Yeah.
Oh, right up here on the right?
On the right. Yep.
Okay. Oh, come on. Yeah, we're going to be going, I think, 20 around this, or 30. 30's fine for me. I mean, it's a beast. It's an absolute animal.
Yeah, you got some good space here, too, so if you want to
get
on a little bit, go for it. There you go.
What an animal. That sound, that upshift sound, it's like, and it's kind of funny because a lot of the, even like, say the W204 or 5s, I think, or whatever they, is it the 5s, those are boosted ones?
Yes, yeah.
I feel like they were doing their best to kind of emulate the sound of this with the turbos. I think they did a fine job. The upshift sound is very similar, but this is just so, visceral, so raw. All right, the Black Series is going in. This is our G63. How cool is that? CLA. Oh man. What an absolute beast. So the car is all tucked in, ready for a little nap after today's fun.
Yep.
But
that was awesome.
Yeah, no, thank you for having us. I know, you know, we went on a nice little drive. Thanks for letting me drive as well. I know that's usually pretty uncommon to have me behind the wheel, but for a Black Series, you can't say no.
No,
you know?
you have to say yes. There was no way you're saying no.
Exactly, but
so yeah, cool car. I hope everybody enjoyed some of the content.
Yeah.
And yeah, subscribe.
Absolutely. And I know you mentioned you have a YouTube channel upcoming.
Yeah,
Tell us a little bit about
Matt Trudeau 1 is the YouTube channel name, but I do fitness, nutrition coaching. I do car content, fashion, things like that. So I just created the channel, so I'm just getting started. But yeah, check out that channel, and I look forward to posting really cool content on there as well. Sure
thing. And we'll link that, I guess the link in the description below, so you guys can check it out. But yeah, if you guys want to see more of this, I mean, there's a lot of content you have. I know you got a lot of cool cars, and I think you like the color black. I don't know. It's maybe just maybe a hint, but no.
G63, CLA 35. So, have you ever driven a G63?
I have not.
All right, that's next.
Well, that's next. Right on.
We'll let you drive that next, because that's another whole different experience.
That's on some mean tires as well. That looks like summer tires for a wagon, right?
Yeah, it looks like I think they're all seasons, but they're pretty.
They're sticky.
It's pretty sticky, yeah.
Cool.
And that's got a stage 1 tune on it too.
Oh my gosh, what's it pushing?
620 horsepower ish.
Well, you guys hear that? I mean, it sounds like we might have another cool review on the way. So
yep.
Cool.
We'll review the G63 sometime.
Yeah, I think so. Well, awesome. Well, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Be sure to check out Matt's channel.